and welcome on this video tutorial dedicated to the rental connection, and this time the split test mode. If you're interested in the group mode, I can refer you to another tutorial video that was filmed and is available as well. So let's go and show you the setup. So to create the rental connection, you need to go to rentals and then here on the rental connection. If it's like on this screen, the first time you create a connection, nothing will be visible here and you will just be able to create a new one. If in the past you already created a rental connection, it will all be visible here in the list and you will be able to manage it from this screen. Here I click on create a rental connection and now you have the possibility to choose whether you would like to do a group or a split test. So here in this video, it's dedicated to the split test. So I select this one here. First, before we continue, let me explain exactly the behavior of the split test and why it was created. So basically, this split test allows you to do test on listing variation. For example, you have a property that can be, for example, adapted to families, but you would also like to test the audience, a different audience, for example, couples. Of course, they are not looking for exactly the same equipment, they are not for the same amenities, maybe not the same display, they have these different expectations, but it might be good to offer the possibility for those different variations to book this property. But the challenge is that if you create two different listings and you advertise them, the calendar might not be linked, so you might have a challenge to manage your availability, the risk of double bookings, and so on. So here, with this feature, we did the possibility to actually link their calendars, so you can still have two different listing displays, different photos, different amenities, different descriptions that corresponds to the audience, but the calendars will be linked, so smart availability, no risk of double bookings, and so on. So I will exactly do here what I said in the example. So actually do family versus couple. So the aim here is really to be able to do the split test between both audiences. And here assign the two rentals that are actually the same rentals, but corresponds to my two different audience. So here, let's say the sunflower room is really dedicated to families. They have equipment according, I don't know, baby bath, baby chair, baby bed, etc. And the lavender room is more for couples. So let's say you have some different decoration or flower setup or anything that couples really are attracted to versus families. It's not really the same equipment or amenities that they're looking for. So here I click on apply, assign, and you will see them both here being added to the rental connection. So here you can delete them or remove completely the connection by clicking on the red button. And if I go back here to the rental connections, you will see actually what's displayed here. You can click on view if you want to adapt or change anything or just view it. And what's interesting now is if we go to the calendar and to the planning, here you will see, for example, on the sunflower room and the lavender room that we linked, that we have actually a reservation here that was already booked for the sunflower room, so the family variation. But the lavender room, as it's actually exactly the same listing, it's just a different variation, needs to be blocked. Otherwise, if somebody books, can lead to a double booking. So here you see that the two calendars were actually linked together. So I hope this helps to understand. I hope that everyone understood the feature. If you still have remaining questions or you need help to do setup, please contact us, the customer success team or your account manager, and we'll be happy to help you. If you're looking and interested to do another connection mode, so the group mode, you can watch the other tutorial video. So thanks a lot for watching and see you soon on Smily.